secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do you? Well, it goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall and major lift, the baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, your faith was strong, but you needed proof. You saw her bathing on the roof. The beauty and the moonlight overthrew you, and she tied you to her kitchen chair. She broke your throne and cut your hair, and from your lips she drew the hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, baby, I've been here before. I seen this room and I walked this floor. You know, I used to live a life before I knew you. I seen your flag on the marble arch, and love is not a victory march. It's a cold and broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. Well, maybe there's a God above, but all I ever learned from love was how to shoot somebody who outdrew you. And it's not a crime that you hear at night. It's not somebody who's seen the light. It's a cold and broken hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.